Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on printing double-sided pages on Google Docs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up the document which you want to print. I have created this document with 2 pages which I will print. To bring up the print screen, click File and then select Print. Or if you have the print shortcut icon in the toolbar here, click that. Under Destination, make sure you have the right printer selected. Click More Settings. Enable the checkbox that says two-sided print on both sides. You can then select where to flip, on the long edge of the page or the short edge. You can now click the Print button and your document will start printing on both sides of your printing paper, providing that your printer has that feature. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Docs tips and tricks.